Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Variety Family. Today I came here to share with you some capital cities of some of our Middle East countries. I would like to share you with the capital cities of some Middle East countries. My first Middle East country is a very famous country, that is Saudi Arabia. Its capital is Riyadh. Then Qatar. Qatar capital is Doha. Then what is the capital of Oman? Oman capital is Muscat. Then Kuwait. Kuwait capital is Kuwait City. Then what is the capital of Iraq? Iraq capital is Baghdad. And what is the capital of Bahrain? Bahrain capital city is Manama. Thank you for watching Variety.